Hello everyone, in today's video we will be learning how to create a very easy crochet bag for beginners with very basic crochet stitches. So let's start the pattern. To start the pattern, first I will do a slip knot and then I'm going to be doing around 26 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 26 chains. I've done around 26 chains as you can see here. So now we will start the pattern. To start the pattern we will be doing half double crochets. So I will yarn over and go on the second. So just going to show the half double crochet once again. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and when you see 3 loops on your hook you yarn over and pull through all 3 of them. So you continue doing the half double crochet till the end of the row. So I've reached almost the end of the row. I've got the last row stitches remaining, so I'm just going to yarn over and complete the stitch as I explained. So I've done the half double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. So now we will start the second row. To start the second row, same thing, you yarn over and go in the first stitch. So this way you will continue doing this till the end of the row. So you continue doing a half double crochet till the end of the row, till here, and then you'll chain 1 and turn and again do the same thing. So it's basically the same pattern, it's just a repeat of the half double crochet. I will do till row 16 and come back. So guys, I have done till row 16 as you can see. So basically this is a cylinder shape bag. So basically what I will do, so I've done the first part here, so we will be doing a chain here and then we need to do 2 circles on each side. So we'll start the circle now. So let's begin the circle. To begin the circle we will do a magic circle. So to do the magic circle, just gonna start. So to start the magic circle I will do 6 half double crochet. So that's 1, then that's 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 6. So we've done 6 half double crochet. Now what we will be doing is we will close the circle. So we've closed the circle, and now what we will be doing is we will be doing a slip stitch here. So sorry, I meant tighten the circle. So once we've tightened the circle, now we will close the circle by doing a slip stitch. So I did a slip stitch here. So that's our first row of the circle. So now in the same stitch we will do the first half double crochet. So we'll do first half double crochet, and I'm going to also mark this stitch with a stitch marker so it's easier for us to know. So the first row was 6 half double crochet. So the second row we will be doing an increase in each stitch, so it will be 12 half double crochet in the entire row, and it'll be 2 stitches in 1 stitch. So we did the first half double crochet in the first stitch. Now we'll go and do the second stitch in the same stitch. So I'm just going to do it. So that's 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm just going to yarn over and go to the next stitch and do 2 half double crochets as well. So this way basically you will do 2 stitches in each of the stitch and come back to the first stitch here, and then I'll show you the next row. So now we've done the end of the row. Now we will take out our stitch marker and do a slip stitch in the first stitch. So we'll do a slip stitch. So that was our second row. Now to go on the third row we will again go here and do 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, So it's best to mark the stitch so that way you can see which was the first stitch. So we'll do 2 stitches in the first stitch, and then we'll go to the next stitch and do only 1 stitch. So and then I go to the next one as well, and I will do another one. So the way it will be is it'll be 2 1 1, and then again we'll repeat the pattern. We'll go in the next stitch and then do 2 stitches, and then we will go to the next stitch and then again do 1 stitch. So we will be using the similar pattern template to make our circle. So it was 2 1 1, again 2 1 1. So I'll finish this row and then I'll show you the other row. So guys, we made around 1 2 3 4 5 rows in this circle, and we'll make one more of the circle for the bag. So it'll be 1 2 3 4 5 rows in the circle. So I've reached the end of the row. Now I'm going to go into the first stitch and do a slip knot. So this is how it's going to be. So that was the first, second, we did the third row. Now we will go in the fourth row. The fourth row is again, we will be doing 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then we'll do 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 half. So it'll be 2 1 1 1. So we will completely do this same pattern till the end of the row. Just to explain how to do, for each row we will keep increasing. You know, the other row was 2 stitches 1 1, now it's 2 stitches 1 1 1. So that way we will keep doing that as big as we want the circle to be. So I will put the pattern on the screen as well so that you can follow through, and I will complete a few rows and come back to you. So guys, I've done till row 5 now, so you can see that's the first row, second, third, fourth, fifth. So now I'm going to do one more row till it'll be till 6 rows that we are doing. So I'll do the last row with you as well. So to do the last row, I've already done a slip stitch, so I'm just going to go in here and then do 2 half double crochet as we are doing. And now we will go and do the next stitch is 1 half double crochet. So guys, now we'll start the 5th row. So to start the 5th row, same, we'll have 2 half double crochet in the first stitch like we've been doing for all other rows, and then we'll do 1 2 3 4 in 1 single stitch in the next 4 stitches. So it'll be 1, maybe 2, that'll be 3, that'll be 4. So we'll do again, repeat 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, and then 1 single, sorry, so we did 2 half double crochet stitches in 1 stitch, and then 1 single half double crochet stitches in each of the thing. Then it's again we did 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch, and then we'll do 1 half double crochet in the first half. Next would be another 1 half double crochet, then the third one, and then the fourth one. And then again, now we will be doing 2 half double crochet. So to remember the pattern is very easy. Just say 2 1 1, and every time we go to a new row we just increase by 1. So I will complete it till the end of the row and come back and show you. So guys, we've done till the end of the row. Now I'm just going to go to the first single crochet and just do a slip stitch. So this was the 6th row, guys. So that was 1 2 3 4 5 6. We've done 6 rows, and we'll do 2 pieces of this circle to go on our cylinder bag. So now I'm just going to just do another slip stitch and then just cut this yarn. So we'll do another piece like that and then come back and show you how to assemble the bag. So guys, I've done the 2 circles that will go on the side of the cylinder bag, and this is the main body. So basically we will put a zipper here, which I will sew it in, and then put the circles on this side. So I will just show you how I'm going to do the zipper. So I've just started the zipper. So the way I've done the zipper is very simple. Using a darning needle and a thread, I just stitch very simple stitches. So I'm just going to do it now in front of you to show it. So it comes from here and then I'll pull it back again here. So I will keep doing this till I reach the end of the so I'll keep doing this till I reach the end of the zipper. So don't worry about this, is a bit longer zipper, so I'll just put it on the side like this. So I'll complete till here and then come back. So I've done this side of the bag, and now I'm going to sew in this side of the bag. It's simple the same way, and then I'll come and show you how I do both the sides. So now I've done the chain on the both sides. What I will be doing is basically I'll just open this and then I will just turn this around and start doing these circles. So now I am going to start doing this circle. So it's just going to be doing simple single crochets. So there you go, one, go into the next stitch, and then just going to do another. So this way I will keep doing single crochet all around the circle to attach them. So you can see, there you go. Yeah, so just do single crochet all around to attach this. So I've done the circle and attached it. The last thing we will need to do is just need to sew it in here. So to do that, I will try and attach it like this, as close as we can, so there's no gaps that we can see. You can see it's so this is how we will attach the other side as well. I'll do both the sides and then come back and show you. So we've made the cylinder bag and both the sides are done. So now I'm going to be adding one of these on each side. I've added one here. It's just very simple. You're just going to use the darning needle and the yarn and then just sew it in the middle of the bag. So once we do that, then we will be putting this handle on the side. So also for decoration, I just might add this. This is not a clasp, but I didn't have anything else. Just might give it a really nice look. So yeah, once I've done the handle, I'll come back and show you the finished product. Guys, here's the inside of the bag. I just need to weave some ends, and this is just for decoration. And this was the D-ring where I attached this strap. So this is the final look of the bag. I'm really happy with this cylinder bag. I will need to block it a little bit, but yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections, and hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys.